In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up voicemail on T-Mobile. Setting up your voicemail is crucial for ensuring you never miss an important message, especially when you're unable to take a call. Let's get started by opening your phone's dialer or phone app. This is the app you usually use to make phone calls, so it's typically found on your home screen or within your apps menu. Next, you'll want to press and hold the number 1 key on your keypad. This action will dial directly into your voicemail system. It's a handy shortcut that makes accessing voicemail quick and easy. If this is your first time setting up voicemail, the system will prompt you to create a password, also known as a PIN. This PIN is crucial for securing your messages, so choose a combination that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once you've set your PIN, follow the voice instructions to record your name and set up your personal voicemail greeting. This greeting is what callers will hear when they reach your voicemail, so feel free to personalize it to suit your style. You might want to include your name and a friendly message to inform callers when you'll return their call. After recording your greeting and completing the setup process, your voicemail will be fully activated and ready to use. From now on, you can check your voicemail anytime by pressing and holding the number 1 key again. The system will prompt you to enter your PIN, so make sure to have it handy. And that's how you set up voicemail on T-Mobile. It's a straightforward process that ensures you're always connected with those trying to reach you. Remember, keeping your voicemail updated and frequently checking for messages can help you stay on top of important communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to T-Mobile's customer support. They're always ready to help you with any issues or questions you might have.